हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला.
One of the actor, Tripti Dimri, has become what she has become now. She's now the national crush and all that.
No, I think she was. We did a lot of auditions, and her audition was probably the best of the lot at that point in time. The character that we were looking for, we wanted someone who was a little naive, but at the same time, वो उसके ऊपर बहुत हावी रहती है. बस शाना बनने की कोशिश नहीं करनी चाहिए. आपका काम एज एन एक्टर आपको लिया गया, उतना काम ठीक से कीजिए पहले वो.
When I did Jamtara, I was, for an actor, like makeup, hair, costume, that is like a shield, right?
Yeah.
It's like, ठीक है, act perform, ठीक ठाक कर लेती है, but she looks damn great.
Yeah.
I'm really a switch on, switch off, and I can do any characters if I believe in it. I can do it.
हीरो बनने के लिए हमेशा एक्शन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती.
Hello everyone, this is Amar representing Mamarazi, and today I'm with the cast of a movie which looks as special as Kartam Bhuktam, the director and the cast. Welcome guys to the show. First things first, बहुत लोग members of media ask a lot of questions for conversation starters. तो what is that one question जो आप लोग को लगता है उसको अलविदा कह देना चाहिए, उससे start नहीं करना चाहिए, so that I'm ready.
How do you feel being a part of this?
Do you believe in karma?
Yeah.
How do you believe in karma or not?
That is only specific to this film, no?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's like, how was your experience working on this?
Yeah.
How did he cast you? Why did he cast?
Why did he?
Shreyas Talpade is good at comedy. How did you think of him?
In this role, okay.
तो ये सारे तो हो गए.
Which you think should be banned?
That's exactly what they said. Yeah. What
Ranks
is your
on set.
experience? What is your experience with the Destiny and Karma?
Okay. So we all know Shreyas has worn many hats. He's an actor, he's director also for him, he dubs also, he gives his voiceover. So how different is it जब आप एक actor को direct करते हो और एक actor director को direct करते हो, तो उसमें difference क्या है? Because हो सकता है बहुत बार he will gauge what's coming.
Yeah.
So what's the difference?
So I think that people who actually know whether he's a very good actor, whether he knows everything about direction.
Yeah.
Somebody who actually knows that much doesn't show it and doesn't throw it.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, he is very, very subtle. He is very smart at not letting you know that. He lets you do your job.
Yeah.
But somewhere, of course, he has that entire, 360 vision, 360 vision चल रहा है
बिल्कुल.
कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं. So I think, but I think he gave complete space as an actor. He did
And
not.
see, more than that, I feel कि मैंने जो काम किया है, whether as an actor director, it's a separate thing altogether.
Yes.
When you're doing a particular film, so there are many factors associated with it कि कहानी क्या है, आपका रोल क्या है, प्रोडक्शन कौन कर रहा है, और डायरेक्टर कौन है.
बिल्कुल.
आप वो सारी चीजें देख के फिर you jump into it, right?
Yeah.
And then when you have a director who's as good a director like सोहम, जिन्होंने मतलब बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में की है,
Yes.
काल
Iconic.
हो, लक हो, बाकी भी उन्होंने एड फिल्म्स इतनी सारी की है, तो then you just have to be the actor on set, as simple as that.
Have to believe.
ज़्यादा मतलब ज़्यादा ना क्या बोलते हैं, जैसे मुंबई या लैंग्वेज में ज़्यादा शाना बनने की कोशिश नहीं करनी चाहिए. आपका काम एज एन एक्टर आपको लिया गया, उतना काम ठीक से कीजिए पहले वो.
बिल्कुल.
उसके बाद फिर ज्ञान की बातें कीजिए. वो बंदा जानता है, ही इज रिटन इट, ही इज डायरेक्टिंग इट, सो वो जानता है वो क्या करना है.
Yes.
एंड यू शुड गो विथ हिज कन्विक्शन इज व्हाट दैट इज हाउ आई लुक एट इट.
Okay, perfect. तो हर प्रोजेक्ट एक एक्टर को आई फील एक कुछ चीज़ सिखाता है अबाउट देयर क्राफ्ट दैट ओ आई कैन डू दिस ऑल्सो. दे सरप्राइज देम इन अ गुड वे. सो व्हाट डिड करतम भुक्तम टीच यू थ्री की आफ्टर डूइंग दिस फिल्म आपको ऐसा क्या लगा कि ओह दिस वाज वेरी लवली व्हिच आई डिड?
I feel that I can switch, and I'm really a switch on, switch off, and I can do any characters if I believe in it. I can do it, and like in one scene I can be something in the very next scene.
Yeah.
I don't need that time off and go away. But as long as I'm convinced of what I'm doing and my director knows what he wants me to do, that came together for me. मुझे एक without revealing too much, I'm struggling. But to make the shift, usually one would say at least मुझे एक दिन का time दो या off दो, like so that I can come back tomorrow with this. But I think I can just do this and this back to back.
Back to back. Okay. Yes.
आई थिंक द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग अबाउट करतम भुक्तम, जो मुझे लगा कि हीरो बनने के लिए हमेशा एक्शन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. न हिंदी फिल्म हीरो अगर हम बोले तो हमेशा आपको एक्शन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, जो इस फिल्म में मुझे
लाइफ हमेशा जरूरी.
हाँ. सो मतलब आप लार्जर देन लाइफ भी बन सकते हैं, आप वो हीरोइज्म भी दिखा सकते हैं, बट वो दिखाने का एक अलग तरीका है जो कमर्शियल भी है, जो हीरोइक भी है, बट नॉट नेसेसरली द कन्वेंशनल रूट, यू नो. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई गेस I learned from this one.
No, great answer.
For me, I think that, as an actor, you're always chasing the length of the role, and you're always chasing, how much meat does the role have and how much screen presence do you have? That is a usual question of the lead actor or lead actress in a film or whatever. And for me, what I discovered about myself and what I took on as a challenge, I think, was the fact that so-and-so was very clear from the beginning that, okay, the length of the role is this much. What can you do? And I think that was something that really piqued my interest, that, okay, I've done stuff where, I've had a lengthy role, and of course that has more scope and you have a longer screen time to prove yourself and, whatever. But when it came to this film, I didn't have that.
Yeah.
So what can I do that if I have this limited screen presence, what can I do to make this extremely special? And I think that's the challenge that I faced, and that's a journey that I had with myself. That's an ego. I would call it, we actors are pretty egoistic. So that's an ego boost I gave myself, that I'm going to do this much, but I'm going to do it really well.
Okay, lovely. Looking forward. मुझे लगता है कि other than all the aspects जो आपके हैं अपनी personality पे, you have done, अगर मैं नाम, if I start naming them, बहुत time निकल जाएगा. You have almost touched all categories. But I also feel you have a very good eye on casting people. Because I remember जब poster boys आई थी, it launched many names, but one of the actor, Tripti Dimri, has become what she has become now. She is now the national crush and all that. So while you were casting for that film, what did you found the most impressive in her?
No, I think she was, we did a lot of auditions, and her audition was probably the best of the lot at that point in time. The character that we were looking for, we wanted someone who was a little naive, but at the same time वो उसके ऊपर बहुत हावी रहती है, and the way she did it was something that really appealed to us at that point in time. उन्होंने कहा कि यार ये लड़की अच्छी लग रही है, इसको हाँ कास्ट करते हैं. So of course कोई नहीं जानता कि आगे क्या होने वाला है वगैरह, but at that point in time she looked very apt for that part, and that's how we cast her.
Okay. अभी I recently interviewed Raveena Tandon and we were talking about the 90s. वो बता रही थे वहाँ पर कि तब बहुत सारी चीज़ें जब स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग कभी कभी उसी दिन लिखी जाती थी और डायलॉग्स उसी दिन लिखे जाते थे और फिर एक्टर्स आके साथ में बैठते थे. यू डेब्यूटेड विद फूल ऑफ कार्टर इन 91. शी ऑल्सो टॉक्ड अबाउट कि वहाँ की कुछ चीज़ें लोग हमेशा ये पूछते हैं कि आज का सिनेमा चेंज हो गया है, बट अगर मैं आपसे पूछूँ जो ट्रांजिशन है वो आपको कैसे लगता है? व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग यू मिस अबाउट द 90s, जो वो चीज़ आप चाहते हो कि वो वापस आए जो अब लैकिंग है?
अभी काफ़ी परफेक्ट हो गया है, लाइक एवरीथिंग इज वेरी क्लिनिकल. स्क्रिप्ट पहले मिल जाती है, डायलॉग्स लिखे हुए होते हैं, और सब असिस्टेंट्स के पास अपना बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट है, सब आर्टिस्ट के पास अपना खुद का बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट. सो इट्स बिकम सो, बट समवेयर वो जब इतना वो लिखा हुआ होता है या इट इज सो ऑन पेपर, द सोल गोज अवे. जब द chaos में जो सोल निकलती है ना, the creativity that comes out of chaos,
that precious chaos, yes,
that I miss sometimes, but that used to be very annoying. हम बैठ रहे सीन नहीं आया, वो वहाँ बैठ के लिख रहे हैं सीन, so you don't get time to read.
You're more well prepared.
रीड करते हैं, then those lines you own them.
Yes,
पर कई बार ऐसा था, शॉट लग गया है, सीन लिखे जा रहे हैं, so they say चल आ जाइए, so you're not even reading your scene, so you're not putting in the emotions. So those were the flaws or the faults.
Yeah.
But also in those moments, if you're acting with an actor like Nana Patekar and Govinda,
wow,
it was no scene was written. In Hatkari, there was no scene written.
Yeah.
They used to tell us it was like improv.
Yes.
And Nana Patekar, no scene was written. Anil Mattu was the director. Nana ji, so कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था for somebody like me who is not a director, who doesn't know, who needs some kind of guidance.
And now when we see those films, ऐसा लगता है ना, मतलब he must have rehearsed so many times.
नहीं, पर बिल्कुल नहीं था ना. एक बार एक सीन के लिए हम गए थे कि पूरा दिन का वो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सीन है फिल्म के लिए, फुल डेज, और एक टेक में ओके हो गया. जो मतलब उन्होंने प्लान किया होगा, ये शॉट, नाना पाटेकर हैड वन राउंड ट्रॉली शॉट, एक शॉट में एक टेक में वो शॉट ओके हो गया, शूटिंग भी पैकअप हो गया 1 घंटे में. देयर वाज नथिंग एल्स टू डू. नेक्स्ट सीन नहीं लिखा हुआ था, उनके पास नहीं था, सो दे फिनिश्ड पैकअप. So those kind of things will never happen today. But you know, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. But there was something very unpredictable and magical.
Magical about it.
अनप्रिडिक्शन इन जो अनप्रिडिक्टेबल चीज़ें होती हैं ना, उसमें मैजिक होता है. केओस में क्रिएटिविटी होती है. हर चीज़ अगर एकदम प्लान हो जाए तो क्लिनिकल हो
बिल्कुल.
सकता है.
और आइकॉनिक मूवीज तो तब भी बनती थी.
आई थिंक उस वक्त का एक जो यूएसपी था ना, दोज पीपल यूज टू हैव द इमोशन राइट, कि ये फिल्म का ये कहानी है, ये कहानी का ये इमोशन है कि हीरो अपनी माँ के ऊपर हुए जुल्म का
जो
बदला ले.
कोर है मूवी का.
हाँ, तो वो हैड टू बी एंड दैट वाज इंटैक्ट. और उसमें कभी छेड़खानी नहीं होती थी, यू नो, कि अभी इसको बदल दे वगैरह, वैसा नहीं होता था कि मैं अपने बाप का बदला ले रहा हूँ, भाई का बदला ले रहा हूँ. वो जो एक फंडा होता था ना, वो बड़ा स्ट्रांग होता था. एंड बाकी उसके इर्द गिर्द जैसे कुछ कैरेक्टर्स होते थे जो खाली ह्यूमर कॉमेडी के लिए होते थे, फिलर्स होते थे, वैसा भी सारा चलता था. बट वो जो कोर उनका था इमोशन, उससे वो हिलते नहीं थे. आई थिंक दैट
But
वाज
the good thing about today's thing, like Soham, he told me कि इसमें मुझे आपके 17 दिन चाहिए, and he took exactly 17 days. So as an artist, that knowing,
You have that sure.
you know, that ये इतने दिन लगेंगे, and you know that knowing also is nice. Sometimes those movies were like, you know, 2-2, 3-3 साल हम करते थे, 2-2 दिन के लिए जाते थे. So that was also a lot fun. Continuity, सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता था.
ये ना अक्षय भाई ने किस्सा बताया था कि शूटिंग पे वो गए. आई थिंक इट वाज ही एंड करिश्मा कपूर इन दैट फिल्म, एंड बोथ ऑफ देम सेड, नए थे दोनों. ये बोला अरे सीन नहीं आया पढ़ने के लिए. तो असिस्टेंट आए, बोले कि सीन ही नहीं आया, क्या सीन कर रहे हैं आज, क्या कर रहे हैं. तो असिस्टेंट ने जाके डायरेक्टर सर को बताया कि डायरेक्टर सर वो बोल रहे सीन नहीं आया. अच्छा बुलाओ दोनों को. तो दोनों को बुलाया और बोला कि अच्छा बेटा तेरा कैरेक्टर क्या है. तो बोला मैं ऐसा हीरो हूँ, ऐसा फलाना हूँ. यहाँ पे तो क्यों आ रहा है. तो बोला ये हीरोइन है, इसके घर पे मैं इसके पापा से बात करने आ रहा हूँ. अच्छा क्या बात करेगा तू, पापा से क्या बोलेगा. मैं ऐसे ऐसे बोलूँगा बेटी का. अच्छा बेटा आप क्या बोलोगी फिर. वो बोलेगा तो मैं बोलूँगी ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. फिर आप क्या बोलोगे, ऐसे ऐसे. आप क्या बोलेगा, ऐसे. देखो सीन बन गया. यही बोलना. ओके
जुगाड़. वाओ.
बट बड़ी मस्ती होती थी लेकिन यार, आई गेस.
जैसे अभी आपने फूल और कांटे से यू डेब्यूट विद अजय देवगन, आपकी पहली फिल्म भी was with Ajay Devgan. You have also worked in one of the most iconic movies of yours with Ajay Devgan. So how has he been a role of inspiration, और ऐसे एक personal touch के तौर पे how has he left an mark on all of you three?
So I think it's a longing dream that when again I'll be able to work with him, and that is for sure, because I think they'll all agree with this, that one, as a human being, he's one of the best stars that I have known.
Yeah.
And even as a star, I think he's been one of the most giving actor, the most, like he's absolutely not insecure.
Yeah.
इतना मैंने
बिल्कुल.
इतना कोई एक्टर नहीं देखा जो इतना सिक्योर हो. That is the biggest thing I'll take away from Ajay sir. And I think he never shows that kind of aura or stardom on the director or anybody on set. So I think fantastic experience. I'm waiting that one day again I'll work with him.
Yeah, no, and I mean, look at his focus. You know, I mean, there have been ups and downs in his career as well. Even Akiba's career for that.
बिल्कुल.
But look at Ajay Bhai's filmography as well. Such a, you know, look at his filmography right till Shaitan.
Yeah.
You know,
now
Shaitan
Maidan.
mein
Yeah.
there could be hardly
Yeah.
10 lines that he's speaking.
Yeah.
True again. ऐसे तो क्या अजय देवगन ने आपको यहाँ पे भेजा है? But 10 ही लाइनें होंगी शायद.
बिल्कुल.
बाकी सारा Maddie is
Yes.
saying everything
Yeah,
else what in the
he's
film.
very giving.
But do that film with that kind of conviction, you know, takes a lot of guts.
Yeah.
I feel.
आपने तो first
He's
film.
my first hero.
Yeah.
So my dream came true
Yeah.
when I became the actor of Phool Aur Kaante and the heroine of the film, and he was with me in my journey. So you can never forget that, and
Yeah,
it's
the
special. And it was a big hit.
Yes.
You know, so there's many reasons to remember. And उसके बाद मैंने उनके साथ दिल जले भी.
दिल जले.
It was one of my last films.
Yeah.
So it was like
Did
first
he
and
do
the
any
last
pranks with you during Phool Aur Kaante?
in दिल जले.
In Dil Jale.
Yeah. पर मेरे साथ नहीं, मैं उनकी टीम में थी.
अच्छा.
हम लोग मिलके दूसरे पे pranks करते थे.
Okay.
So yeah, you know, he's special because he was the first film for me,
Yeah.
with me, and almost I can say the last
Yeah.
at that time.
Definitely. Or for you, we can, like Mama Razi can manifest that you also work with him soon. Talking about you, Rafu Chakkar, Surveillance, Shubh Nikah, Kathmandu Connection, Jamtara, Speed Dial, Love You Family, even Devdas. And now, Kartam Bhuktam. How has been the whole process till now? How has been your journey? Do you think it has been a roller coaster ride or a smooth ride, or do you believe it's always 51% luck and 49% hard work?
He's been the best one with the best homework.
Yeah.
With all your
Yeah.
filmography.
Honestly, you can never say that it's been a smooth ride because I come from a family that's completely away from
Devoid of
films.
all this, yes.
And you know, I'm the odd one out in the family who is the first one to be in the film industry. So definitely with making such a decision comes a lot of pressure because you know your parents always tell you नहीं आप education कर लो फिर आप ये सब सोचो, then you decide whatever you want to
Yes.
do because there's nothing.
वो ज़रूरी भी है.
Yeah, there's no stability, but a lot of people don't know this that I'm not even a graduate. I didn't even complete my education because for me in my head, I was always an actor. I was born to be an actor, and I didn't want to keep a plan B.
Okay.
I said या तो मैं actress बनूंगी and I will be successful at it, or I will sit at home and I will not do anything else. So for me, yeah. So I never wanted to keep a backup plan. I never wanted to even give it another thought कि वो अच्छा ये fail हुआ तो मैं क्या करूँगी. So for me, I was always very, very sure. And with making such a strong decision, you have to accept that, you know, making such a decision comes with its own set of challenges. There are so many people doubting, you know, your talent. I mean, every actor faces this, not only me.
Yeah.
You're rejected. Your time is not right. You know, for whatever reasons you don't do well. I was doing films in the South where, you know, I was doing successful films, but then again, you get stereotyped into a typical heroine.
Bilkul.
And then, you know, you have to do the same song and dance again and again, and then you don't grow.
Bilkul.
So you have to make certain hard decisions, walk away from that, do things that challenge you. When I did Jamtara, I was, you know, for an actor, like makeup, hair, costume, that is like a shield, right?
Yeah.
It's like, ठीक है, act, perform, ठीक ठाक कर लेती है, but she looks damn great.
Yeah.
She looks damn good. So in Jamtara, I was stripped off that completely.
vanity part of it.
I was completely stripped off it.
Bilkul.
And for 5 days I struggled. But after that, the process of just acting and being in front of the camera, just being that character, it was a very, very great experience for me. So I think that's what I'm chasing. And I think all of the struggle, all of it is worth it when a project like that comes your way and then, you know, you're recognized.
So I think I'm not saying it because मैं आऊँ. I think you are one of the most believable female cops which I have seen. और तब तो lockdown No talking about करतम भुक्तम, ये मूवी है जो कर्मा की बात करती है कि आपका कर्म जैसा होगा वो घूम के 360 डिग्री it will turn back. तो in your own life अपन कभी भी इंटेंशनली ऐसे कुछ काम नहीं करते कि अच्छा मैं ये काम अच्छा करूँगा सब ताकि मेरे को अच्छा हो. वो ग्रेजुअली ऑर्गेनिकली होता है. बट हैज़ देयर बीन एनी मोमेंट, प्रोफाउंड मोमेंट जब आपको लगा कि यू नो माय कर्म स्टूड फॉर मी? कभी ऐसा लगा आपको इन योर लाइफ?
मेरा तो रिसेंट एग्जाम्पल है. नहीं, बट आई गेस हर एक के केस में ऐसा कभी ना कभी होता है. कभी वो चीज़ें हो जाती है, हम उतना मतलब रियलाइज़ नहीं करते, बट और कभी कभी ऐसे ड्रास्टिक कुछ चीज़ें होती है, यू नो. सो आई थिंक बट जो आपके बचपन से आपको सिखाया गया है, एक वैल्यू सिस्टम है, एक कुछ मॉरल्स है, और ये बताया गया कि आप अच्छा करोगे तो अच्छा होगा. आई थिंक यू ट्राई टू फॉलो ऑन दैट पाथ. हैविंग सेड दैट, बीच में ऐसा भी टाइम आता है व्हेन यू सी अदर पीपल नॉट रियली डूइंग द राइट थिंग एंड येट सक्सीडिंग, you know, and you start questioning your value system and your morals and everything कि यार ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, फिर मुझे भी ऐसा सब करना चाहिए. But then you realize कि नहीं यार, उनके क्या problems है, वो क्या भुगत रहे हैं, हमें पता नहीं, सिर्फ दिख रहा है कि वो successful है. So I think then you realize कि नहीं, जो मेरा है वो अच्छा है. I would rather follow this than, you know, try to emulate someone else in the wrong way.
जब मैं अपने बच्चों को देखती हूँ, you know, I'm talking like a typical mother, especially वो रात को जब, दिन में तो बहुत नॉटी हैं, बैक आंसर करते हैं, इरिटेट करते हैं, दे पुश माय बटन्स, पर रात को जब शांत होकर सो जाते हैं, एंड देन आई लुक एट देम एंड आई फील सो ग्रेटफुल व्हेन आई सी माय चिल्ड्रन. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने कुछ ना कहीं सही किया होगा, दैट आई हैव दिस फैमिली. सो दैट टाइम आई ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट दैट आई मस्ट हैव डन समथिंग गुड, दैट आई हैव माय फैमिली विद मी. मदर्स डे इज कमिंग.
Oh yeah. You're already
You know.
making reels on it.
Okay, definitely. I had a very, very scary experience just before the shoot of Kartam Bhuktam. I got into a very bad accident where I almost lost my eye,
And for any actor, you know, to have something on your face. In fact, I shot Rafu Chakkar with a black eye. If you watch that series, there is a lot of portion in the series where, you know, I mean, they've covered it with VFX, but you can see my eyes like this. So I did go through a very bad accident, and you know, for an actor to have something so drastic on your face, it's a huge deal. And I thought it would leave a mark on my face forever. I thought it would leave a scar on my eye. My eyes would never look the same. But I feel like, you know, I think I've never really done anything good, or I practice kindness. So I feel that if I have been kind all my life, or if I've practiced some goodness, or I volunteer with animals and I do good for animals, I've done a lot of rescues. So I feel like somewhere the blessings of those beautiful animals that I've probably fed or got them adopted, I feel somewhere that has, you know, led me to be here, where nobody can tell that something happened to my face. Nobody can tell. So I think that I'll show you like this.
Yeah.
I'll show you. So yeah, like, so I think that is really put me here today with where nobody can tell that I had something so drastic on my face. Yeah.
I think right now, this year especially, or maybe since last 6 months, I think the film industry is going through a phase which is very exceptionally bad, you know, and people are not going to theaters, and there's more negativity and more, you know, that negative publicity from the industry itself, that फिल्में चलेगी नहीं, कोई जाता नहीं है, मत करो, OTT पे करो, all this noise. So I think कुछ तो अच्छा क्रम है that our film is reaching the theaters. This is my biggest, you know, positive thing that I am feeling. There are so many movies which are not coming out. 200 फिल्में बन के पड़ी है, वो तब तक लोग रिलीज नहीं करना चाहते जब तक OTT पे डायरेक्ट ना चली जाए. But you know, every film has a life. Every film has a like, you know, it needs to come out. वो ऑडियंस के लिए बनी है. So I think definitely karma and some superpower is working for all of us, that the film is reaching the audience. और उसके आगे hopefully audience will take
वो
it.
पहले की बात जो आप पूछ रहे थे ना, पहले के इंडस्ट्री में और अब में क्या फ़र्क आ गया. पहले के लोग पैशनेट थे जी फिल्मों को लेके. जो प्रोड्यूसर्स थे ना, वो मतलब खुद के पैसे डालते थे, और नहीं ये कहानी बनानी है, ये पिक्चर बनानी है, आइए सर पिक्चर बनाते, और वो बना के थिएटर, क्योंकि उतना ही मीडियम था रेवेन्यू का, तो वहाँ पे रिलीज़ करते थे. कभी चलती थी, कभी नहीं, कभी दे यूज्ड टू गेट वॉश्ड आउट, यू नो, मतलब कितने लोग का नुकसान हो गया. बट फिर भी वो जो प्रोड्यूसर्स थे वो एक पैशन से बनाते. अभी जो फिल्में इन्होंने कहा कि 200 फिल्में बन के पड़ी है, वो सबको एक गारंटी चाहिए कि OTT भाई आप हमें गारंटी दे दो इतने पैसे, तो फिर निकाल. वो वैसा, वो क्रिएटिव हमारी इंडस्ट्री वो वैसे नहीं चलते, यू नो. और फिल्में बनी है थिएटर्स के लिए, थिएटर्स में तो आनी ही चाहिए, तभी तो मतलब लोगों को फिर आदत होगी और वो आने लगेंगे. अभी तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं यार लोग OTT पे देखेंगे. OTT पे सिर्फ वो देखेंगे जिन्हें टीवी पे देखने की आदत है, वो OTT पे देखेंगे. जो थिएटर्स में जाते हैं वो थिएटर्स में जाके ही देखें. सिंपल. Yeah.
True. Huge difference in.
No, जैसे आप कह रहे थे कि बहुत लोग साथ में या फिर अलाइन या फिर कुछ लोग एक्स्ट्रा, जो इतनी नॉइस होती है, कभी कभी सोशल मीडिया रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात आती है कि obviously there will be 1,000 people take you down, but how do you what is your relationship with your own social media handles? I remember
Having a great time right now with social media.
Yeah, but see, I am not a celebrity. I am not a star. I don't need to be there out. I do it only where I feel like, and whether it's personal, whether it's film related, मुझे जो मन करता है मैं लगा देता हूँ. I genuinely don't follow कि अब किसने क्या लिखा, कितनों ने देखा. वो मेरे लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, मैं लगाते जाता हूँ and I move forward. I really enjoy that much and then I shut off because I don't peep into other people's stories. I don't have time for that. Yeah. But it is a platform which you cannot avoid. It's there 24 hours with you. Now. So I think you have to just take it with a pinch of salt, do that much and use it in the best way for yourself. But it shifts a lot when it comes to celebs, like actors. उनके लिए वो एक अलग tool है.
Yes.
So it depends how you use it in which way, you know.
अगर वो कुछ story डालेंगे, वो कुछ पीछे भी कुछ अलग, उस पे भी लोग article लिखते हैं.
Yeah.
It was so free and
yeah.
Right. I remember someone had tweeted something to Kriti Senon. And
मेरे नाम से किसी ने ट्वीट
and
किया,
that was a verified account and using his image और all the best कहा किसी मूवी के लिए. And she, उन्हें क्या पता था कि वो उनका नहीं है. She also replied. फिर he took that responsibility, he clarified, I think you tagged Twitter and
Yeah.
some cyber police attack.
This is bad Kartam Buktam.
And उन्होंने clarify किया. If you want to talk about that.
No, see, it is there today, you know, and अगर ऐसा पकड़ के चले कि it is there for our good, you know. आप उसमें कितना कंटेंट डालते हो, क्या कंटेंट डालते हो, ये आपके ऊपर है. बिल्कुल. आप अपनी लाइफ कितना ओपन करके उनके सामने रखते हो, ये आपके ऊपर है. सो जो लोग अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, कुछ लोग बुरा भी बोलेंगे, कुछ लोग बुरा बोल रहे हैं, कुछ लोग अच्छा भी बोलेंगे. It works both ways. I think, but who is talking bad about you? That really, in a way, that matters, because there is sometimes no face, no name, no nothing to it. Then should you dignify it with a response, or should you really pay attention to it? You shouldn't. Then you might as well focus on the fact that there are other people, 90 people out of 100 who are talking good about it. You focus on the good thing and move on. You use it only to that extent.
I think also you need to use the app. The day the app starts using you, that's the problem.
Yeah.
I think that's the main thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you are also dubbing for various films and आप actor भी हो, तो क्या कभी एक point of conflict आता है दिमाग में that see, if work is work, तो आप तो work की तरफ ले, तो कभी conflict आता है that I want to act in that role and not dub, कभी ऐसा आता है?
नहीं, मतलब see, when I've dubbed for only 2 films. One is Lion King in Hindi, another one Pushpa in Hindi. You know, so Lion King में मैं ऐसा कुछ कर नहीं सकता था कि वो करना है, but Pushpa sure. Pushpa में definitely when I saw the film, या तो मैं मुफासा, सिम्बा, टिमोन बन जाऊँ, you know, but पुष्पा में डेफिनेटली जो फिल्म थी, जो कैरेक्टर्स थे, जो एक्टर्स थे, और उन्होंने जो काम किया था सभी लोगों ने, वेदर इट इज सुनील गारू या अल्लू अर्जुन या all the other actors also, you know, they were fantastic. And you see that film and you feel कि boss, I want to be a part of this film.
Yes, definitely.
You know, कि ये जो इन्होंने माहौल क्रिएट किया है और ये जो swag दिया है और जो एक्टर्स बनाए हैं, ये you want to be a part of that. But then you get an opportunity to do justice to the lead part. You know, कि हिंदी में भाई आपको अगर उसको सामने लाना है तो आप क्या करोगे? अगर आपको मौका मिला है तो आप क्या करोगे? तो I think the best thing to do is कि मौके का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फायदा उठाइए और उसका अच्छा जितना कर सके उतना कीजिए. But yes, having said that, at whatever point in my life, I would love to work with that director, because I think they just think crazy, you know, and that is what every
Stories which
actor.
are coming are crazy.
I think Sukumar.
Sukumar. I worked with him.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that didn't become like a
So honest. Super.
That didn't have me dubbing the film.
While I was coming, I posted on my story that today I'm interviewing everyone on my story. They're replying, ki, please tell him to say that dialogue. And मेरे को clip में. So if you can, I know I am digressing from the topic, but if you can.
yeah, sure, why not? I mean, अभी फिलहाल तो वो आया है नया कि
बिल्कुल.
मैं हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला.
Lovely, awesome.
Hi, this is Soham Shah, and you are watching us on Mamarazzi.
Hi, this is Madhu, and you're watching us on Mamarazzi.
Hi, this is Shreyas, and you're watching us on Amarazi.
Amarazi.
अमर नाम था उसका इसलिए ममराजी.
Hi, this is Aksha Pardesani, and you're watching us on Mamarazzi.